isisikali ng Matita ku 18 lago dapat na bola Max atu sayang Max umzuzu wesikhombisa walishaya Max ibhola likhandwe kahle kakhulu laphana uye uNeil Thobi walinikeza kahle kakhulu laphana siboneke laphana Matita eligoba laphana kakhulu angu-Max lamudla uBruce kube ne-deflection laphana ngelithinte laphana oyi-fullback yabasibone futhi laphana njengamanje-ke nangalithinta kancane laphana uba kalithintanga lo mfana waseZimbabwe loya
so shy Rosmoda.
Hey, Max, there's one in every family, it's fine.
He's not dating us.
Talk to me about, like, do you remember that? I'm sure, like...
No, I remember that vividly.
What year was that?
It was 1980. No, not 80. It was 1995. Yes, yeah. Because we started in 1992.
92?
92 with the 4x4s.
Yeah.
Lost 4-1 to...
Nigeria.
No, to
Cameroon,
Zimbabwe.
Nigeria.
And then lost 4-0 to Nigeria, in Nigeria. So they were both away, the fours. From then on, we started growing with the game. Yeah.
What are your fondest memories? Because I mean, we're speaking about Heritage Month, and that's one of the reasons that I, wanted you here. And the guys were saying, no, let's get Max here, because we're speaking about such a big 30, 40 plus years of what we're celebrating, and legends like yourself, who till today we still look up to you, we still see you do your thing. But what are your fondest memory of the early days?
In terms of professional football or life in general? Oh,
I mean, if you're going to go to life, I always enjoy those stories.
Professional football was always being exposed to international football. I mean, 1992, I was privileged to be part of the first batch of players that played the first official international match against Zimbabwe, in Zimbabwe. Remember, the friendly was against Cameroon, but that was not official international match. So when we were playing the World Cup and the AFCON qualifiers, we played both Zimbabwe and Nigeria. I mean, to be out of the country and be invading the continent was like a wow. Wow in a sense that we have always been here for what, about 14, 15 seasons? One has just been playing the same opponents all the time. You can't grow. Yeah. And you see these things. And in between, I went to the World Cup in 1990. Remember, we turned professional, international arena in 1992. 1990, I was at the World Cup, and that's in Italy, Italia 90. Yeah. And I was with people from Botswana behind the poles where, Germany scored that only penalty, Bremer. And that's when
this is you as a
spectator
and a lover of the game.
As a spectator, but the thing is, when everyone was jubilant, that's when I was almost in tears to say, imagine if we become part of the world. And then you get a call to say, so-and-so is shot. I mean, I've seen them all. I mean, from the days when we were throwing stones during the 1996, up to the time when everything changed completely. Wow. So, if you think of it, Andile, I've been privileged to play during apartheid era, that is the NPSL, the PSL, and then the
NSL, the NPSL,
yes, all that, and then play for Bafana Bafana. Wow. In fact, I've played with 4 players and 4 of their dads.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You played with Doctor
and
Pro.
And then it was Jomo.
You played with Jomo? And not Pamuza, the other one.
It was...
Pamuza,
Yes,
yeah,
but
Pamuza.
then it was Easter Komani.
Easter Komani and
against Papi.
Yeah.
So you realize...
Who's the fourth? No. Who else? Debokhot? What about Debokhot is there?
It was Makua.
Oh, Frank.
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool, yeah.
He's literally the Djokovic, original Djokovic.
Yes. So it's like, it made it easier because when you see him, you say, I beat your dad. Now it's you.